Welcome to MyTech KBS. In this video, we will see how we can install and uninstall VLC Player in Ubuntu operating system. So open your terminal and there is a shortcut key Alt Control T. Type and command sudo apt install VLC. Type password. So right click, open with other application VLC Player. So okay, so VLC Player is installed. Now, if you need to uninstall this VLC Player, so type one command sudo apt purge VLC. Press Y to continue. Type cleanup command sudo apt clean sudo apt auto remove. Y to continue. Here it is. So let's check whether it is uninstalled or not. Right click, open with other application. See, there is no VLC player. Now, so far we have seen how we can install and uninstall VLC player in Ubuntu operating system. Alright buddy, that is all for this episode. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more upcoming video. Thanks for watching. I will come back in the next video.